This is Courses Restaurant. This is the student-run restaurant at Ivy Tech Indianapolis. The purpose of this is to give us a live classroom setting for our students to interact with the general public. So when they're out front in the dining room, they're serving guests, working together as a team, practicing leadership skills as they rotate through roles like manager on duty, host, runner, and of course just as backup. Then in the back of house, we have either our classical cuisines class or our specialized cuisines class, which is one of the capstones on the culinary side.
The Courses Restaurant here has been open since 2012 when we moved into this building. You can book reservations through Open Table. What you should expect coming in, besides an amazing ambiance and feature here and a fabulous meal that you're going to have, is engaging with the students and being a part of their learning experience.
All the instructors here are really encouraging and they have a lot of fun doing it. They get inspired through us and we get inspired through them. It's hands-on, so you're getting in, 9 o'clock and the clock's ticking. So, it sets that kind of fire in you to, let's get things going,
So we have 4 classes in our program. Our cafe downstairs on the first floor of our building is the first opportunities where students get to cook for the public, as well as, and of course, up here with specialized cuisines and classical cuisines. And then we have our catering arm, Courses Catering, where they'll actually do that within the building and out in the community. This
is a great segue for students to take what they've learned in classes and transition it to the industry. There are 6 campuses that also have the hospitality, culinary, baking programs. Each one does have a food service area that's open to the public that does highlight the students and what they've learned in classes.
Teamwork is one of the most important things I've learned. It's the hardest thing to learn because there's so many different moving parts. And you need to get everything right. If you can get your teamwork going, then you'll have a wonderful time.
What I like to say is I am the safety net, so that if something does go wrong, myself and the rest of our staff and faculty team are here to still make sure things go well and that the students can use that as an opportunity to learn and not a moment of, well, what do I do now?
The best experience I've had is being able to serve my local instructors. Being in the kitchen, you might not necessarily know they're out here, but when they come back and they say how awesome your dish is, it's just a huge compliment to yourself.